Hello guys, Navimesh welcomes you on Basic Drawing Creation Season 1 in Fusion 360. This video series helps you to increase your design skills. In this video we will create 3D model from this design. First pause the video and try it yourself, because if you will watch then, your brain will not create new ideas, it will only follow steps. So, please try it yourself, then if you have any doubts then watch video and see difference between our steps. Design can create in many ways. Sometimes you can also create in simpler way than me. Now let's start the designing. In next video we will create 3D model from following design. Try it yourself first. Video link will appear in end screen. If you want design book then PDF link is given below description. Thank you for watching video. I hope you learned something new. If you like it hit the like button. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Knowledge is key to success. See you next time with new video.